Why are most of the marshmallows on one side of the bag? And why do the candies cluster together, even when I shake the jar vigorously? Maybe you think it's because the heavier pieces sink to the bottom, but instead the larger and heavier pieces of cookie crumbles move to the top when you shake them. Mixtures of dry goods often segregate, even if the particles are only slightly different. This phenomenon, often called the Brazil nut effect, is due to segregation by percolation, also called segregation by sifting. Smaller particles fall into the gaps created when particles move and fall to the bottom, pushing the larger particles up. Because particles interact differently with the container, they can also behave like a fluid, moving in a circular pattern in the container. The pattern depends on the container's shape. So, next time you see all the yummy pieces in your cereal clustered at the top, remember, it is science.